In this video, we're going to look at similar volumes. And what you need to remember for similar volumes is once you have the linear scale factor, you cube it to get the volume scale factor. So let's look at this question here. We've got two similar cylinders. The smaller one has a height of 10 centimeters, the bigger one 20 centimeters, and the bigger one has a volume of 80 centimeters cubed, and I've been asked to find the volume of the smaller one. So first thing I'm going to do is work out the linear scale factor, as I have two corresponding sides. So big 20 centimeters divided by 10 centimeters. So my linear scale factor is 2. So using that blue box at the top, my volume scale factor is going to be my linear scale factor, that's 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8. So last we need to find the small volume. So I'm going to take the volume of the big cylinder, which is 80, and divide by 8. And if I do that, I'm going to get 10 centimeters cubed, which makes sense because it's smaller than the larger volume. Moving on to our second example. Here we're told the volume of a cone of base area 37 centimeters squared is 84 centimeters cubed. Find the base area of a similar cone whose volume is 10,500 centimeters cubed. So we're given two volumes, these are two volumes, and it's asked to work out an area. So the first thing I'm going to work out is my volume scale factor. So big divided by small, so my big volume is 10,500, and I divide that by 84, and I get 125. Okay. So now I'm going to work out my linear scale factor. Now if the volume scale factor is the linear scale factor cubed, then the linear scale factor is the volume scale factor cube rooted. So that's 125 cube rooted, which is 5. Now I don't want to work out a length, so I don't need that, but what I need now is the area scale factor. So the area scale factor, if I know the linear scale factor, is the linear scale factor squared. So my area scale factor is 25. So finally, I'm nearly there. The large area then is going to be the small area, which is 35 centimeters, and then it's going to be multiplied by 25, the area scale factor, and that is 875 centimeters squared. And there's your answer.